Why don't we check futures to start with, because the market is the story this morning. OK, so you don't have much price change at the moment, but yesterday we had some very solid gains all across the board on the back of profits that are coming in strong and other factors which suggest the market's going higher. David Nicholas with me this morning. I'm implying, David, that the story here is profits good and the economy looking stronger, both looking good. So we're on track. Are we on track then for a solid stock market rally?
Yes, Stuart, we are. I mean, this is actually shaping up to be one of the strongest quarterly periods on record for the market. We're seeing double-digit earning growth. We're seeing revenue growth at 8%. We're seeing 80% of companies beat expectations. And Stuart, this isn't just the AI or big cap techniques that are driving growth. If you look at financials, we had a lot of financials that reported last week. We're seeing 20% earnings growth out of financials, 10% revenue growth. Jamie Dimon even said the reason we're doing so well is because of the strength of the U.S. economy. So I see it here. I see it in our local community. The economy is doing well, but it's not two tales of two different worlds. Wall Street's doing well, but Main Street is actually doing well. When you look at the numbers, it's really across the whole broad economy that we see doing well, Stuart.
So where are we going? I mean, how much higher are we going? We've got about, what, a couple of months left in the year. Where are we going to, what are we going to reach?
I think we could see a pretty significant melt up here, Stu, because again, you have a Fed that is on our side here, right? We should be seeing lower rates continue throughout the rest of the year. So you've got that aspect of it. You've got earnings that are coming in strong. I mean, I said 7,000 year end. We could see 7,000 by mid-November. I mean, that's what happens once we get through the next couple of weeks of earnings, Stuart.
That's a melt up, for sure. One last one. Apple. What does it tell you about technology when Apple closes in on a $4 trillion valuation?
Yeah, Stuart, I've ragged Apple over the last year or so. They had a massive day yesterday, up 4%. But this tells me that Apple has the cash. They have the wherewithal to really win when it comes to AI and tech. But again, we're seeing strong iPhone 17 sales. That means the consumer's doing well. I think Apple's a name you want to own. You don't want to trade it. You want to own it and forget it. But that stock could be up another 15, 20% from here in the next 6 months.
Well, things really are looking up. Thanks very much for joining us this morning, David. We always appreciate it, especially today when things are looking up. We love it.